Hey everyone, Ravi here with Let's Build It Ravi. I think the second room is done. So if you saw the other video, I was just doing the trim and painting. That's kind of finished and So let me walk you through what we've done so far. Don't mind that mess, it is a construction site. So here we walk in and we got our dresser. This is temporary dresser. Ideally we're gonna get one floor to wall. We got this hearth, had a bit of an accident, and so all the paint came off. But you can see the edging is all finished, and that tape has done such a good job, right? You get the really crisp difference between the gray and the white on the bottom. And if you try to freehand it, I'll show you what that looks like. Boom, not the prettiest thing in the world, right? Very ugly if you freehand it, so probably worth not to. We're gonna have this little table here for computers and my monitor so I can do my workstation for a little while. I was just finishing up the paint here. Again, this is another perfect example of how that tape works. So you just line it up to the edge. I can zoom in here. There we go. Line it up to the edge. And the tape is right here against the edge. And then that's it. And then you just bring the brush all the way across. And it's much easier. So we're kind of looking at being pretty much done in this room. This area is going to be part of the stairs, part of the closet. This closet, will be part of the stairs. So we're just kind of temporarily filling stuff in. We're not really messing with the wires too much. We're just letting it be. It actually fuels this thing here, which is kind of silly. So we'll have to do it properly, and it'll probably go, I guess maybe we have to take these up and it has to go under the ground again. So. All right, or in the walls or something, junction box. But that's it. So I think next thing we're gonna do is just start staging. We have this big gorgeous carpet that we're gonna lay down, and yeah, we're looking at calling it done. So it looks like thanks everyone for being along on this journey. We're gonna continue on with this rest of the house renovation project. Next up is back to the first bedroom. So we're gonna go back to the first bedroom and we're gonna do the flooring on that one. We've done the flooring on this one, as you can kind of see, right? I've been showing. So we're going to do the same flooring in that second bedroom and probably throughout the hallway as well. Be a bit of tour. So we just come out the bedroom. Right now we just have some basic stuff. Then we're going to have that same flooring, except for in the bathroom, come all the way through here and all the way up to here. And I think it's just going to stop right there and it'll stop right here. So we'll have the same flooring from all along this area. And since this is cut, we're just going to put a bit of silicone or some cork, put some cork in there, and then that'll be our transition. Our threshold will be a bit of cork. And then that's it. Thanks everyone. See you.